Yes, sir. Good morning. So, yeah, sir, on the gold, I see we have two bar reversal and with the low volume. So, let's try first long. If this level breaks, then I'll wait for the retracement. I'll try to join a short. But before that, like this liquidity should sweep, sir. Then it will be the great setup. At least it should sweep this. One second. Asia. Yeah, Asia high. Then, yes, sir. That is also possible. However, when it goes this area, right? I'll try
Mm.
from here. But
Yeah.
yesterday, which I took on 1 minute, right, sir? Here, this area was target, sir. I was holding on 1 minute. 5 minute, if the candle closed above this, then maybe it would continue. But later, while sleeping, I just checked like daily candle volume. So when I saw that, I said, no, you should stop looking along now. I just stopped it, sir. On the arc, it didn't tap this area, sir. It just missed that. And arc also, and
Pramod,
yes, sir.
hey, on this actually, I wanted to ask you if you go to the left, I just wanted to make sure. I was waiting to tap the area, but then do you see the green wig that it
Hmm.
tapped there before? If they do like retracement like this, um, don't you think that basically that area is already gone and basically you would need to change that because in the yesterday's video when I listened to it back, you said you need to go and look for the fresh order block.
Yes,
So if
but it is only one candle, sir. See now, when we mark any order block, we have to take the full area, sir. The full area.
yeah,
Okay, because of like on 1 hour it will take a big area, then the stop loss will become. I'll try to reduce. On the 5 minutes, we have to take, find the entry. Like for example, if the market is not going there, I told earlier also, sir, what I do. So I'll mark the high one. Okay. If any candle come and close below this, then I'll take the trade, sir.
yes, and I was checking the volume over there also
Mhm.
was not bad. So yeah, okay.
Because yeah, the reason is very simple, sir. If you mark this, see, you try the next time when you take this full area, then you will get a perfect trade setup. But we don't know whether the market will start from here or at this place. We cannot say exactly, right? I'll try to reduce. And 1 second. So and if you say this, we already it's mitigated in this way, breakout retest, but market didn't come that low, sir. It's just
Mm,
one candle. The next candle it went up.
all right.
Yeah, that is only one the problem. And the next time, if you want, no, if you want to enter to keep, so see now wherever you take the trade from on the top, the stop loss will be above according to the 1 hour.
Yeah,
So
because
that,
the
hmm,
mhm. So when you see the doji on that one, it's actually low volume, lower than the green one before. So it would make me think that maybe now, if you mark that doji, the red one,
hmm,
or the green candle whole area there, just like
this area,
that. No,
this,
on the right after the green candle, when I would
yeah.
see the doji finished and it's low volume.
Hmm,
Let's say if I would mark it and then go to 5 minutes.
hmm. So when you this candle you're talking about, right? This one.
Yeah, yeah, the
Yes,
doji
sir.
because the
Just go to the
because
5 minutes. That
yeah.
is how you should take the trade. That doji is this. The market was ranging.
Yes,
So
yes.
what I do when it reach near 1 hour resistance or 4 hour in the downtrend, I'll mark first high. Okay.
Okay.
If I get any another high, for example, if I get any another high, the market is coming down, I'll change my high.
So technically now it's like liquidity sweep, right?
Yes, sir.
From the liquidities.
This
Okay.
one, but it didn't
Yes.
go the 1 hour order block. But we know that this area is completely 1 hour order block, sir. Like what you
Yes,
said,
yes.
that is correct.
Yes.
But this is how I'll take the trade. I'll just wait to candle come and close inside this. If the candle is very small, mark the full candle, sir. You can take the
Got it.
trade. And I took this kind of trade on the gold, sir. When the candle will close, I'll just take the trade because if the market come and close below this, there is high chances. it'll go down.
Yeah.
Assume that after coming back, if it's going, then clearly this time is going to this place. Done. You just take the stop loss, wait to enter this area. From here, you can take the trade, sir.
Yes, perfect.
Mhm.
Thank you.
No, no problem, sir. So this is how even I'll take the gold the same way, sir. And I took last month, I think so. 4 5 trades took exactly the same. I got very good trade, sir. Like after I take the trade, the market started coming very fast because until the candle will not close. See why? So this is not a strategy, sir. I'll tell you. See, we'll take the trade only when it comes near the resistance. Okay, when when the candle is so going back, okay, and it's
Mhm.
struggling at this place. So I can take one small risk here. I'll try to join this because I know this. Okay, so what happened when we know that the area is so big on this resistance? So we mark very small and we are trying this. Okay, we are trying this to take the trade nearby this trade. So what I do here, the same way what I explained. I'll mark here high, let it come to this liquidity sweep. Okay, let it come. If any candle come and close below this without touching near the resistance, then is high possible, sir. Done. Every like the
Mhm.
market took resistance because we didn't mark the full. Only that reason we have to take just a trade. That's it. And
Okay,
always
thank you.
the no problem. Always in the market, what happens, sir? When the market will start coming down, it will go very fast in this way. It won't give chance to take the trade, sir. The way the market was ranging here, finally it dropped it. Yeah, the and again the trend is also down. We can see it here. And I told earlier, so easy they don't go up after taking too many stop loss or else break even. Then they'll start moving up, sir. If this level breaks, then yes, market can go down once again. And even on the BTC also, sir. So on BTC. Yeah, on BTC, when we got the breakout breaker block, so order block and breakout area liquidity, it took immediately, sir, within 2 candles. Yes. So now the
Hmm.
same. If the candle come and close below this, then completely scenario will change, sir. Once again, they'll come and take these liquidities. Yeah. And the goat
Nice.
also. Yeah, sir. No, goat also, sir. Exactly the same. It didn't go near the breaker block or resistance like order block. It didn't go they directly come from here. On the 5 minutes, if you go, we don't have any confirmation here, or not even took the liquidities on the top. Mhm. It just dropped it. That's it, sir.
So would you take this one
Wow.
here then? Because it didn't take the liquidity at the top on the left. Would you still
Yeah.
go in?
No,
Would you
sir.
still?
No, I can't take this because directly market started coming down.
No,
Hmm?
remember when you drew your high here. Hold on. On the other one, you drew a high here,
Hmm? Huh?
and you was waiting for this to come up and sweep. it.
Yes. Yes. Then
So
I'll
because
try.
so because this one didn't sweep the liquidity over here,
Yes.
would you take it?
No, sir. That is what
Okay.
even I don't know, right? Like I'll be waiting, like, okay, let's take this liquidity. But we have only one chance that if it break this level, we can try. It should be low volume, sir. But yeah, this even I miss this kind of trade, sir. I'll be waiting to sweep this liquidity. Immediately the market will start dropping. But yeah, in between I'll join somewhere, sir. This just like this, where we mark the order block. So if the market is coming, then I'll try to join here somewhere. This maybe I missed this trade earlier. No, but yeah, if I start drawing, okay, like here in this way, then maybe I can try when we get the breakout. It should be low volume, sir. It should be low volume. Then I'll maybe try, but no, I'll miss it because every time I feel that when the market will go, okay, this time it may sweep. This time maybe sweep. This time maybe sweep. Finally, we don't get the trade, sir. But yeah, I'll miss this trade, and I missed it earlier. Because you just see, sir, trader, like how he'll be thinking when he see those two candle, yes, this time is going to swing. We think in the same way, right? Every time here. But yeah, slowly the market coming down and directly it dropped it. But yeah, this way you can take the trade, sir. If you're taking the trade in this way, breakout, stop loss. That's it. Especially remember, sir, in the downtrend, very less chance to give that for the retracement. Directly they'll drop it. Because as I said, who all took the long position, they want to kick very soon to them. So they just drop very quickly. And they within 2 3 candles, sir. So if you go and check here, this area, it took 2 hours to reach this area from this place. Here within 15 minutes they drop. So this is the problem. Like most of them, they don't like to take the shots, sir, in the market. But yeah, you see, I missed
Sure.
this. Yes, sir, I missed this trade. Yes, tell me, sir.
Would you go to ARC on 15-minute? I took I took it from the top.
Yeah, you said yesterday you took on the top, sir. Yes,
I got kicked out, then I re-entered, and
very nice.
yes,
Uh-huh.
and I got it from that red candle, the bearish engulfing with after this,
This.
the other one, the big one on the yes, this one.
Uh-huh.
The volume was, I think, okay, and I was waiting to go to the half of the candle.
50% of this candle.
Yes, and I
Uh-huh.
took it from there, short.
Oh, very nice, sir. And he was holding?
I did a stupid mistake. I closed my trade after the liquidity sweep down there. 100%. I closed.
Here.
Yes. Yes.
Sir.
I wanted to go back to sleep, sir.
Okay. But at least you would have hold 20%, right, sir?
I could have, yes.
Yes. Okay.
But my question is,
Uh,
looking like that on a 15-minute, is it okay to take such a trade or is
Now,
way too risky?
5 minutes is very easy, sir. 15
It
minutes,
is,
okay,
but
you understood, you took the trade. 5 minutes will be the easy the same way. You are here also, if you see, if you look at this, the full candle here, the candle closed, and I'll take the trade. And yes, there is chances there will be no retracement, especially this case. It went like what you said, 50%, then started coming down. That's it. So in this case, if any candle close above this, then this setup will fail. Candle should not go and close above this, sir. Then the market will go up. And the 15 minutes, sir, and the 15 minutes, like that is the 2 bar reversal.
it was noisy. Normally I go to 5 minutes too, sometimes to one, but for me 5 was noisy.
Yes, true. I agree that 5 minutes will be noisy. 15 minutes, definitely it will be a clear check. But what 15 minutes happened, you will get in 3 days, you will get one good trade setup. On the 5 minutes, you will get everyday good trade setup. It will be not good, but yes, you will get the good trade setup. Uh, but
Okay.
yeah, sir, on the 15 minutes, it will be the neat and clean. I agree this. This is 2 bar reversal. Yeah, sir, 50%. You can take the risk. However, the market is on the downtrend. Why we should wait for that to break this level and all? No.
How about now? What what we should look for? Longs or shorts?
No, sir. Just wait. You just see the still volume it increase. Go to the 5 minutes. So tell me where is the low is here. Liquidity sweep. Hmm. If the market goes, what do you think till where it will go, sir?
If it goes up,
Where, sir? If it goes
if it
up,
goes up,
yes. Within 1 2 candles, it may go.
well, here,
Yes, sir.
and there
There
is
is
a
So
weak.
wouldn't this try and do
that
anything
is
to
yeah, anything like within 1 2 candle here or here, these areas. So once again, you try the short, not long. Wait, because on the daily time frame also, Once again, it coming for the retest. And however, we didn't get any volume, sir, still. That indication to go up. We got the dragonfly, but the volume is too high. Okay, no here also. But wait, sir. If you want to take the long, let it come here. From here, you can try the long. According to the daily. 5 minutes. Let's go to 15 minutes. So you love the 15 minutes. 15 minutes also the same order block, sir. And we have this like what Mr. B showed. Try to take the short, sir.
Thank you. Okay. Breaker
No,
block or order block? I
both.
got it.
Yeah, sir. And this is also possible, sir. If this market comes down, then you don't try the short, sir. No.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, if the market comes down, if it's structure shift, go for the long because that will be the daily time frame support once again. It's nearby. So this is the daily time support at this area. Okay. If the market comes here, then if it start moving up, then yes, you should not look the short here. You should try to join the long. Because according to the daily time frame, the market is near the support now. This
Thanks, Pramod.
no problem, sir. Yes. Brett, sir, you took any trade? No. Why?
Yesterday I was like Monday and Wednesdays I never take too many trades or any because I teach, you know. So my day is broken. I listen to you, I
Huh?
watch your videos, and then I go to teach, so I have no time to
At what time you
actually.
will teach, sir? Monday and Wednesday?
Yes, exactly when the lesson starts. Like I go like you start. My time is 5 o'clock, so in 30 minutes after I go and I come back and then I'm waiting when you
Like
put it on, and then I rewatch the videos or try to.
this time, sir? Like you mean this time?
No, like in the evening.
What will be my time then? Because
Mm.
from next week, I'll be coming on Monday and Wednesday, sir.
Yeah, so I know I read the message, and for me it's like my wife she could
But yeah,
if
1:30 p.m. IST for like yeah 1:30 p.m. sir IST. Then that time will you?
when the time goes back to the winter time in Czech Republic, then for me it will be no problem. But during the summertime,
Mhm.
in these times, usually like when we have the sessions, then I am not actually listening. Well, I
Mm.
cannot join. That's why if you ask me and I don't answer, I'm not probably here. I just join because I see like within, like at the beginning, I can watch to see what you're talking about, and then I leave. And
Mm.
my wife is here probably and watching.
Okay. No, there. I'll do one thing, sir. I will decide the time whether this is comfortable for everyone on 1:30 p.m. or we'll see next week. I'll talk to everyone.
Tuesday, Thursday would be perfect.
Monday.
If it can.
No, Monday. Monday wiser, the fresh the
I
week,
know,
right?
I know. I'm
Yeah,
just
the Monday will be very nice. The timing, let's see what people says.
Yeah, I mean, if it's working out for you, it's good. Promo, I'm okay. It's just
Hmm,
like I will wait for summer for winter time. It's no problem.
hmm.
We will see.
Yeah, we'll. You answer.
Yes, mate.
Oh, you are here. Okay, very good, sir. What happened, sir? Griffin? You took any trade?
I've not. No, I was just an ARC, but I closed that ARC trade yesterday, mate, when we were close to the top there. But I didn't take the short because I've got my daughter all week, mate. Her mother is away, so I'm
Mhm,
busy with childcare, mate. It's difficult.
mhm. Okay. Aaron, sir. Please. Yeah, Jani ma'am, you took I think ARC, right, ma'am?
I promote, yeah, I took that and also virtual. Using that same pattern that I drew today, yeah,
Okay.
I can then, so I went to virtual and I did a short.
Okay.
They pretty much all look the same.
Same.
ARC, AIX 16,
Mm.
XBT, all of them
Yes, yes. It looks same pattern.
have the
Yes.
same pattern, exact same
Yes.
pattern. Yeah.
Mm.
The one on ARC, I had
Mm-hmm.
a problem with it. I think it was because it looks as if it changes character again, or not. Yeah, it just has a breaker block in it. Just trying to think.
Where, ma'am?
Yeah, so no, it's okay. I just decided not to do ARC because it
Mm.
didn't look the same to me. Yeah, exactly the same.
Mm.
So I just did virtual.
Okay. Take some one or two token. That's it, ma'am. You follow that, like what you're doing, virtual and another any token. You just follow these two token.
Yes. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just doing virtual ARC
Mm.
and 16Z.
Mm.
And now some goat when you show us.
Mm.
So only that. That's all
Yes,
I
ma'am.
do.
Yeah. Goat. Why I'm following this? I was just checking, ma'am. Like this is working very nice. Like what all we see the structure, it's working perfectly. Like a gold. So I thought, yeah, goat will be the best one. Like you just see wherever we get the breakout, it will come for the retest. After the breakout, once again it will go for the retest. Like all the time, it does that. I said, like I thought, lo, okay, this token is really nice. It's following the structure. Yeah, that's the reason.
That as well. So that's why I decided to start looking at goats yesterday as well.
Okay, well.
Because at ARC at the moment, I'm not really doing any trades. So
Mhm.
16Z, yeah, goat and virtual.
Yeah. Really, yesterday we got huge volume on this candle. Okay. They are pushing down. Yeah, 16. So try short from this area, guys. Here. Right from this area, okay? Because on the daily time frame, yesterday we got very good volume. Okay, so mm, yeah, we got very good volume. We can try the short. Okay, on the 5 minutes, just wait to come this area. Just wait to candlestick confirmation. You can try this. Okay, very nearby. We have order block also. It's not so far. It may be this situation. If the market goes up and come back, right, then you can try this with this retracement because this is not a liquidity sweep. Directly, we cannot take the trade when it close below this. No. If there is liquidity sweep, then it will work. If there is just order block, then this is how it work. Sir HM
Yes, sir.
took the trade, sir.
No, I haven't been taking trades yesterday.
Okay. You didn't took this short, right?
No, I was actually trying, or I had a limit order in here. I was looking at that. It looks like a good long, but I didn't open. It should have been opened right away. There
Sorry.
was a low volume candle,
Mm-hmm.
so it didn't retrace at all.
You
And I
marked
was
this.
targeting,
Okay.
yeah, and I was targeting the 1 hour liquidity in here. But then I was
Mhm.
not looking at the charts, but when I missed this, so it never came back to. I had a limit order somewhere. I can't remember where. Placed it with 1 minute, but it went, starkly went.
Yes, it went up directly
Yeah.
that. So there was 1 hour liquidity. Okay, you're talking about this. Yes, you're talking about which liquidity,
Yeah,
sir?
it's web. This one, like you have a key area here.
Okay, sorry, sir. Okay, on 1 hour.
Yeah, and you see it took
Sorry,
this
yes.
liquidity.
Hmm.
But I didn't expect it to actually drop after that, like this hard, how it did. But I
Yes.
guess that this is just a key area, like where
Hmm.
there are, a lot of orders here,
You just
maybe.
come and they took everything, sir.
Yeah,
Now you don't do anything, sir. There is
yeah,
everything is finished here. You have to wait some pattern here.
yeah. I know. So that's why it looks shit like right now. So no trades at the moment, or
Hmm.
some not at least high probability trades. So I'm looking forward something like this, or maybe it will drop hard and make something like that, or
Yeah, that will be the correct. So at least it should break any level, then you can join, or else it should
yeah,
come down. Correct, sir. In this
yeah,
in between,
yeah,
so even I cannot say you that you try short, because yesterday, like what you said, when the market started coming down, it took all this liquidity within one candle.
yeah,
Mm. And high volume hammer.
yeah,
The market can't come once again down, sir.
yeah. It looks like that. By the way, if you go to 5 minutes,
Hmm?
would you have taken any shorts, or would you be expecting any shorts in this area? Because
No,
if you drop, okay, yeah, it's all the
no.
same. So I was thinking about this channel,
Hmm.
but then it broke it. But there's no retest, so you have to kind of like you don't have a chance to enter.
Enter, yes, sir. Here, that is the only problem, sir. It's the same thing, like what I explained on the arc.
Yeah,
No, sir. If you 5 minutes, if you go like, okay, on 1 hour, when you mark that, okay, we have order block, right? On the 5 minutes, sir. One second. You asked on the 5 minutes to entry point, right?
yeah,
Sir, when you know this on 1 hour, here it's clear. So this is
mm,
liquidity order block. On the 5 minutes, you at least you have that entry, sir. But
mm,
yes, but we cannot expect this drop.
yeah.
No, we cannot
So I would
expect
have,
this drop. Yeah, but
yeah, there's,
in the arc, there was no retest. Directly the market dropped and market was sideways. But in this case, at least the market was going up and internal structure shift.
so you could have, okay, so you could have actually
Yes,
categorized that as an
yes,
internal. Okay,
yes.
good.
But I cannot say that, yes, sir, you missed this profit. No, sir. How much we can expect this? Hardly here,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
area. That's it. We can say this, this is the liquidities. So it can, your target is this. This is just
yeah.
bonus. Yeah, we
Big
cannot.
bonus.
Yeah, big bonus. But I always tell you, sir, like suggest you have to check the daily time frame
Yeah.
volume, sir. You should check like what volume we are getting. According to that, we can decide. See, like on the gold,
Mm,
when we got 2 bar reversal on the daily time frame with the low volume. Look at this, sir, with the low volume. I mean,
mm,
compared to previous one,
yeah,
there is chances, sir. It can go for retracement downside.
yeah.
Yeah. So same thing on the here also, sir. You have to check every time. Sir,
How
you
do
just
yeah, sorry.
yeah.
Go ahead.
So when this candle we have the volume, 1 second. So we got the breakout. You just look at this volume, sir.
Yeah, it's good volume.
Hmm.
So it's
Continuation.
gonna go down. Yes.
Yes, sir. But
But
here
then you
all
get that,
yeah, please.
this candle with nice volume.
Yeah. Most of them they'll go for long.
Yeah,
They'll mark this as a order block, and this is like a dragonfly does detail enter according to daily time frame. Stop loss hit.
yeah.
No, if you get the
But
volume, these kind of you should stay away, sir.
okay.
You should
So you
yeah.
like after this, you would want to see a green candle with low volume, and
Yes.
then after
Then
the kind of
yes, correct.
retest like this.
Yes, sir. That will be the grade. If there is directly
Yeah,
low volume with this candle, good to go. We can take the trade. Okay. If the next
yeah.
candle, if you have the bullish signal with the low volume candle turn, we are going to take the trade.
So for example, in this case, you get a good, like a high volume, then a green candle with low volume. So
The
then
next
it's a
day,
good to,
yes, the next day, two candle bullish engulf
yeah,
with the low volume. So yes, wait for the retrace. Wherever you get the trade on the 5 minutes, you just enter, sir.
yeah. So in this case, the high volume is okay, but you need to have another low kind of bullish volume,
Yes.
a bullish candle with low
Bullish
volume.
candle
Sorry.
with a low volume.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
But in this case, like because you already got the high volume in here, so within the retracement in here, you don't want to see high volume anymore.
Correct. We need a low
Okay.
volume. If there is a low volume, then yes, this will become order block, sir. Okay.
Okay.
If there is a low volume with the dragonfly doji, yes, you are going to take the trade according to daily time frame entry, stop loss below this. Target is very big, sir. This.
Oh yeah, true. So yeah, okay. Now I get it.
Yeah.
Now I get it. So during the retracement, the volume should be low if you already have had the high volume.
Yes, sir. So this will become your target. Here will become
Yeah.
the liquidity. So directly you don't have any other stop here. Maybe it can take some retracement here next day. But finally, when it breaks, the target is this. We should not think this as the order block, and people will try the short here, no doubt. But yeah, when you're taking the a long, so in the same condition, when you're taking the long from this bottom, okay, let it be 5 minutes or a daily time frame, sir. Your target will be directly this order block, sir, here. So this is just like in between, we'll be getting in between resistance, right? This is just resistance and liquidity.
Yeah.
It will sweep this and directly will be this. Stop loss, if the stop loss is 10%, no problem. Target is a 50%, sir.
Yeah. For me, it now looks like, there's a lot of liquidity. It has not yet tapped that, so it's gonna come there maybe.
There is possible because last time also it missed it there.
Yeah.
Yes.
Could you go to the 1 hour time frame, please?
Yeah.
Is this still inside bar?
Yes, that is inside bar, ma'am.
And this here, isn't this divergence?
Yeah, see here we got the high volume, ma'am. That is what I was telling. If there
Okay.
is a low volume, I was telling to try the long here. Exactly the gold. I'll just show the 1 hour. On 1 hour we have the hammer here, right? This area.
Yeah.
So here also we have the high volume. If not, like I was trying the long, ma'am. Next candle we got the bullish candle, a low volume. Still this is a valid to this for this trade setup. Still it's valid. Here, sorry, ma'am. So here when we got this ultra high volume after taking the liquidity, obviously the market will come for the retracement. It can go from this area also or else this low also. On the 5 minutes, the entry will be very nice. Just go to the 5 minutes, wait for the structure. For example, like what Sir HM was showing, right? At least it should break this level, then I'll try to join the trade, or else let it come down, make some pattern, then you can join this, but not
Yeah.
here, ma'am.
Okay, understood. Thank you.
No problem, ma'am. So next time, whenever you see low volume after sweeping these candles, right, ma'am? This trade setup. If there is low volume, right? If there is like crazy low volume, your entry will be immediately, ma'am. Your entry will be immediately because the liquidity is done. Your stop loss will be below this. The target will be very big according to this time frame. I have this on it, like I just show you some example, right? Before I took the trades. Not here. I two three trades. The like big setup on the 1 hour. on 1 hour I took the trade, ma'am, like crazy, based on this volume itself. Very low volume, the market went like amazing, like on the top, like this top. Always I'll be changing the this, right? So I'll miss that. When it done, I'll just delete it that. But yeah, we have all the time high volumes here. But yes, for I'll just show you. So when you take any liquidity, right, this kind of liquidity, I'll just wait to enter inside with the low volume. When it enters, done, ma'am. I'll take the
Yeah.
trade immediately from here. Stop loss. The target will be this. So
Yes.
here
Okay.
also, yeah. So here also we have like it took the liquidity. It was staying low volume. So here it was a high volume, and the bullish candle was the low volume. So now I'll take the trade. So we'll mark this as a anytime market can come for the retracement, or else it may not cannot come. So I'll just enter here, stop loss below this. And target, yes, this, ma'am, on the top. So same thing here also. When you see the low volume, enter. This is not your target, ma'am. These are the liquidities. Your target will be on the top. Because
Mhm.
when it takes any higher time frame, the liquidity that this setup is done. Like yes, now this is no more not valid. It took the liquidity, done, ma'am. You're not waiting for any retest. Because all the time it don't be sideways. After taking the liquidity, this is how the market will start moving up. So if I take the trade here, the first target will be any order block, or else don't book the profit, use the break even, let it go up. So they'll, yeah, obviously they'll come for the retracement, then they'll go up now. Because this is not 5 minutes straight, right? When you are ready to give 5% or 6% stop loss, you should be ready to take this target. Yes. 4%. For example, 4%. The target should be not 4%, ma'am. The target should be like this.
It's always impressing how you show how everything works, Pramod, because
Yeah,
it's always so clear for you, and the charts they speak to you directly. I think
no.
it's really impressing.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Oh, actually, what happened, ma'am? Like, I till now, I took so many break evens. If I would not take the break evens, maybe I was millionaire, ma'am. So many break evens, you won't believe. Like all the time, I'll take yesterday itself, ma'am. Yesterday, I took the trade from here. Okay, this area. I took very good lots. I took the break even. Later, I got regret. No, why did I took the break even, man? I supposed to close it here. I booked only few, ma'am. I booked only few at this place, and I was holding. All every time when I don't hold, okay, when I don't hold, the market will start running. So I decided, earlier, no, I will hold it. So wherever you take the trade, one thing you should remember, ma'am. Wherever you take the trade, like from the bottom, okay, you know that yes, this is the bottom, and we have a high at this place. So when I take the trade here, let it be 2 to 3 trades. If I take the break even, once again I'll take the trade. But my target is this. Not here, ma'am. We need a lot of patience. You don't look at the chart because the market will go here. Once again, they'll come down. Oh, you feel that, no, the market is coming down. No, just wait. So you use trend line, then you realize, oh, the market is going up to this sort of law. Let it be 50%, ma'am. You should hold. But you should to build the confidence, right? To hold. To build the confidence is the daily time frame. So when you knew that, okay, we have the dragonfly doji with the low volume. This very low volume. The next day you should be ready to take the long and to hold. Now we got the low volume on the daily time frame. Maybe market now you are seeing the red candles, but end of the day you will see that green candles. Next day, as soon as the market will open Asia, it will not even come for the retracement. And you saw this. You will be seeing that earlier. I'll just show that 1 second. Okay. So in this case, ma'am, For example, you took the trade somewhere, okay, from the bottom, like liquidity, whatever. So you know, okay, you got this trade, and yes, this is just one day. You took this trade because of like, yeah, we got ultra low volume on this daily time frame. So you know that today maybe market can move up. So you was holding. The next day, you just see, okay, again you are holding. The next day, you won't get the chance to re-enter. They'll go very fast. Why? They took the liquidity. If there is no one in this trade, the market will go very fast. If there is too many members are sitting down, then market will come very fast to take those liquidities. You should understand this. Uh, Recently, Sam, okay, Crossy, he told me, Pramod, one thing I understood, man, in the market, there is only two things are in this market: liquidities. If you understand that, then yes, every trade you will be seeing the profit trades. Sir, are you here? Sam? No, he's not here. He told me that. I said, very nice, sir. You realize that. So now here you should find where are the buyers and sellers now. If you understand that, yes, you can kill the market for sure. Mm.
Mod,
Yes, rock, sir.
hello.
Yes, sir.
Do you have time for me to show my chart for the first time?
Which token, sir? Let me know.
Like Johan suggested yesterday, I can show. I'm going to show Fartcoin and then Brett.
Yes, sir. Please share it.
Okay, it's the first time I'm doing this, so let me try.
Hmm.
You can see Fartcoin, correct? Can you?
Yeah.
You're on mute.
Yes, sir. We can see.
Okay. So I'll show just briefly two trades I took recently. One was this Fartcoin where I got a bit of profit.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so it was already late at night, and I was wanting to just to get into a trade to hold overnight. So I saw Fartcoin coming down to I ran the fib and I marked it, and it was the golden zone, and then I marked liquidities up above, and I just thought if it comes down into this golden zone, I'm going to try. And I ended up waiting a bit too long. I was on the 15-minute because I wasn't looking for a quick scalp. I was letting it run for the whole night and maybe the next day. So on 15 minutes, I saw this V shape.
Hmm.
I thought it's going to go up off the golden zone. And so I got in a bit late, but fortunately it went up, came down again, but I was that was the next day, and I was carried on holding. And then when it reached the first liquidity there, and I saw it starting to come down, I thought I'm just going to get out. But it was a decent trade for me, although it doesn't look very big here.
Very nice, sir. You took the trade here. Did you try the second trade, sir, here?
No,
Uh,
that there's nearly quarter to 4 in the morning
mm-hmm.
on the Monday. So I took this on the Saturday night, 10 o'clock.
Okay.
And then I ended up closing it here on the Sunday afternoon at 5 o'clock. So it was quite a long trade, but it didn't go very far because it was ranging this internal structure. And the volume was fairly low when I took it compared to prior to that. And
So,
then I
okay. Sorry,
want
go
to
ahead,
ask
sir.
if you want to ask any questions, I can try. Otherwise, I'll go into the Brett trade where I hit the stop loss, unfortunately.
1 second, sir. On Fartcoin,
Okay.
this token, if you get any trade, you can try the short from here, sir. Because just go to the 4 hours. Yeah, make it. So can you you can check here. We got the breakout, sir. The trend line.
I've got to move this. Sorry, I was going to move this out
Yeah.
the way.
On 4 hours, we got the trend line breakout, sir.
Okay.
From here.
Go here.
Yes.
Where are we looking? There.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes. Correct. If market goes back and close inside this area on the 4 hours, okay, with the low volume, then the market will go up, sir. If it stay down, then yes, the market can come and sweep this all liquidities once again.
Okay. All right, I'll try for
Yes.
that.
Okay. Show me the another one, sir. Brett.
Okay, and then on Brett, yeah, again, Brett looks similar to a few of the other tokens we've looked at today. I marked on the 1 hour this big drop from the top there, and then I marked the breaker block here, and it went up and tapped into that. And now the mistake I made was that I only put my stop loss like on the 50% of this GAN box. And it started coming down and was doing okay, and then it retraced, and then unfortunately I wasn't really watching, and
you would
the
have keep the
liquidity
stop
sweep.
loss on the top, sir. Why did you keep here, sir?
Yeah, I
Because
should
this
have.
range is very small. If the candle is very big, then the 50% is okay. But when the candle is this small, the stop loss would have keep on the top, sir. This was great, sir. You tried very
Yeah,
nice, sir.
you see, I just got stopped out there, but I had a 1.23% stop loss, which is about the average that I take. I don't normally take over 1.5. I normally take between maybe just under 1% if I can, up to 1.5%. So there I just had it on 1.25. And unfortunately, if I had it on over 1.5%, yeah, I would have got that short all the way down. But on the Fartcoin trade before that, because I entered late and there was already that V shape, I did have a bigger stop loss, over 2%, which is not normally what I do. It's a bit too high for me. So I'm trying to risk very little. But yeah, this would have been a decent one, unfortunately. I need to try and increase stop losses just a little bit on occasions.
Yeah, but very nice, sir. This very nice. You tried at least here, but next time if the candle is small, try to keep your stop loss above this, sir.
Yes, I'm gonna have to. Okay. And again, the volume was fairly low here, but then obviously once it started coming down, we got the high volumes over here.
Yeah, obviously, while coming down, we'll see the volumes.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's
very
my
nice.
first time sharing. I hope it was okay.
No, very nice, sir.
At least there
Thanks
was
for
two
sharing.
different tokens that we haven't looked at today. Okay, thanks a lot.
No problem, sir. Shall I stop sharing, sir?
Yes,
Yeah.
Can you stop?
Yeah, I can do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. Yes. Done. this code, we'll see. If I find, I'll post it. This was just this. If it comes here during any US session, you can try. AI 16 also. I think AI 16. Yes. AI 16, if it comes here, you can try the short, but not below this. If the candle goes here, for example, then you cannot try the short here. We can try the long if it comes down. Okay, let's see during US session, sir. Done. Thank you so much, guys. Yeah,
Thanks,
sir.
Pramod.
Thank you so much, Paul, sir. Yeah, sir. Take care, guys.
Thank you,
Thank you
Pramod.
Yeah,
very,
ma'am.
very
Thank you.
much.
Cheers, Pramod.
Please.
Thanks
Yeah, sir.
very much,
Thank you.
Pramod.
Thank you, sir.
See
Thank
you
you.
later.
Thank you.
See you, sir. Take
Have
care.
a good
Yeah.
day.
Yeah, you too, sir. Bye.
Bye bye.
Yeah, sir.
Bye.
Bye.
Good night.
Yes, sir.